Octopuses express their emotions through color changes. Octopuses change their skin color to show anger, fear, excitement, and other emotions. Flamingos stand on one leg to conserve energy. Flamingos stand on one leg to regulate body temperature and conserve energy. Penguins' feet have a special blood circulation system that prevents them from freezing. Penguins' feet stay warm in cold climates due to a unique blood flow system. Dolphins call each other by names. Dolphins use specific sounds to call out to each other, functioning like names. Tigers' chuffing is a friendly greeting sound. Tigers produce a chuffing sound to greet each other and communicate in a non-threatening way. Spider silk is being researched for medical sutures. Spider silk is incredibly strong and flexible, making it a potential material for medical sutures and artificial ligaments.